This video sets the stage for a comprehensive exploration of Samsung Smart Switch and its data transfer functionalities. Going through the passage, you'll find valuable information and helpful tips to optimize your data transfer experience. Part 1. What can Samsung Smart Switch do? Smart Switch enables data backup from a phone to a PC or SD card, data restoration to a phone, and data transfer between old phones Android iOS and new one Samsung. Part 2. The Samsung Smart Switch copy or move data. No, Smart Switch creates a duplicate copy of the data you want to transfer before sending it to the receiving phone. Instead of moving the data entirely, it leaves the original copy on the sending phone. Part 3. How does Samsung Smart Switch work? Use Smart Switch on Samsung, agree. Choose Receive Data, Old Device, for example, iPhone. Connect iPhone via cable or Wi-Fi. Trust iPhone. Enter iCloud passcode. Smart Switch scans. Select Content. Tap Transfer. For apps, choose Android versions. Install later. Part 4. How to transfer data to new Samsung without Smart Switch. 4.1 Using Mobican Transfer for mobile. Samsung users rely on Smart Switch for device switches, but compatibility issues may arise. Many choose Mobican Transfer for mobile for smoother transfers due to its reliability and robustness. How to transfer data to your new Samsung from another Android or iOS device via mobile transfer for mobile. Step 1. First, open the mobile transfer product on your computer. Make sure you've downloaded and installed it beforehand. Step 2. Use USB cables to establish connections between your computer and both phones. Then, activate USB debugging to allow the tool to detect them. If you accidentally swapped the source and destination devices, simply click on Flip, located at the middle of the window. Step 3. Next, choose the specific types of files you want to transfer and click on the Start Copy button. This will promptly commence the migration of data to your new Samsung phone. 4.2 Using Copy My Data. Download the app on both devices. On the receiving phone, choose Copy from another device. On the sending device, pick to another device. Select receiver's name. Enter 4-digit code on receiver's phone. Select data types. Follow on-screen instructions to finish transfer.